one of my favorite students. For the presentation, congratulations that all of you did best. I gave 90%.
That?
90%.
Oh,
For the content and validity, may validity akong sinabi. For the content and the validity of the breast chicken as of today is production and consumption is 91%. For the satisfaction of the answer is 90%, with a total of 90.33%.
For Ms. Nage, for your presentation, I give you 91%.
Wow!
Because of, for the content, because of the effectiveness of functional stated, I gave you 91%.
Wow!
And for the satisfactory answer to our questions, I gave you 90. You have a total of 91%.
Wow!
Oh, next! Congratulations! Sino? Si Marvin? Yes.
Asa na padre?
Okay, for Marvin, for presentation, 92.
Wow!
And for test is 90. And for the answer to question is 90. So the average score of 90.66.
Wow! Next!
Marvin, congratulations. That you did best. May next.
Bye!
Okay, for the presentation, congratulations, because I know that all of you did not able to make this day to come, but this is the moment. 90%. And as for the content and validity of your studies, 91%. And for the exemplary of your answers, 90%.
Well, thank you.
Wow!
For your presentation, I gave you also 91%.
Wow!
For the content, I also gave you 91. For the answer to questions, I also gave you 90 with a total of 91%.
Wow! Ang galing!
Next, si Severino, na padre.
Ang galing naman!
Okay, tayo. Dito na.
Okay, since that your presentation is, you work hard for your presentation, and I think you're doing great for the presentation. So, all of you, I give you a presentation 92.
Wow!
I give you 90. And for the answer to questions, because in every question you manage to answer, so I give you 91. Total average is 91.
Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Salamat ka.
Okay. You did your best to answer all my questions. For the presentation, as you use the liquefied crystal display, I'll give you 90%. For the content and validity of your subject, as a proposed, is 91%. And passionate to answer my question is 90% with a
Ang galing ni ate!
Yeah, ilan ba na eh?
Sir Severino Lapade Jr.
Wow, Junior!
For his presentation, I gave you 91%. Also, for the content, very relevant and very valid, 91%. And answer the questions I gave you 90. everyone also.
Galing! Oh. Asan yung mga nagbigay kanila? Picture! Sa panel! Ba, pwede naman tayo! Asan si Freddy? Asan yung kapatid mo?